I put toothpaste in the toilet bowl and you won't believe what happened. I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this technique anywhere else, so you'll love to know it. If you want to learn, let's get started. I don't know if you're like me, but I love to always keep the toilet clean and smell good. It makes me feel more comfortable. When it's dirty and yellowish, I feel very annoyed. I used to use a lot of products like Decaline and a brush to clean the bathroom, because the toilet and the tank were filled with mud and ended up staining the porcelain of the toilet. It was a process that I had to do every week, and it became tedious to have to buy products so frequently to keep the toilet clean. However, then I discovered this secret. I tried it and was delighted with the results. Many people like me face a similar situation, so I want to share this secret with you. I'm using toothpaste. Toothpaste is antibacterial, so every time you flush the toilet, it cleanses all the bacteria that remain in the toilet. It also lasts about 3 months and contains fluoride, which means you won't have to worry about the mud and yellow stains in the toilet. It also leaves a refreshing aroma. When people visit your bathroom, they will ask you why it smells so good, even if your toilet has a deposit. Now I will show you how to apply toothpaste, but before that, let me know which city you are watching me from to be able to send you a special greeting in my next video. The first thing you should do is take a scissors and cut a corner of the edge of the toothpaste. You will do the same on the other side. Be careful that one cut is longer than the other. Then, with the help of a pin or a needle, you will need to make some small holes in the front and back of the toothpaste tube. This will allow a small amount of toothpaste to come out when you unload the deposit. Remember that you can use any other brand of toothpaste of your choice as long as it contains fluoride. Now open the lid of the toothpaste a little, but do it carefully so that it is not too open and is wasted. You can be sure that the toothpaste will dissolve little by little, and from there, the entire deposit will be disinfected and with a pleasant aroma. Wait 10 minutes before unloading the deposit. After 2 minutes, I will pull the lever, and the toothpaste will start to come out mixed with the water. You will notice a fresh mint aroma and some foam in the toilet. The longer the toothpaste stays in the deposit, the better the smell and the results. You will no longer need to use those abrasive cleaning products. This little technique will make a big difference. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.